Hello and welcome to the Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So, the cryptocurrency market has been plummeting by worries over US economic downturn and a wave of bankruptcy filing involving cryptocurrencies, which led to a period of profit taking at the higher levels today. So, given the weak macroeconomic environment, the latest price bounce may be short-lived. That's what analysts are saying. So, low trading volume during the US Independence Day holiday may have also factored in sharp rise, which cooled off on the back of top cryptocurrency exchanges liquidating 52,513 traders' positions, which is worth $176 million in the last 24 hours, analytical data has shown. So, according to institutional net flows last week, large investors are getting away from the cryptocurrency market also because of the US dollar rally on the market. That's what the data is showing. Thanks to the most recent rate hike and the upcoming hikes until 2023, the US dollar is feeling comfortable compared to the rest of the world currencies. The dollar index has shot up 1.1% to 106.26, a two-decade high of a currency that investors rush to buy during times of acute economic uncertainty, as what the cryptocurrency market is already displaying. Unpleasant market condition. Wherever the US dollar is showing strength on the market, Bitcoin tends to retrace from the local tops and resistance. That's what data has already proved. The main reason behind such a trend is simple. So, investors choose less volatile assets whenever the US currency is strong and prefer making slow and steady income from tools like bonds rather than exposing themselves to risk assets like cryptocurrencies. So, Ethereum has been hit very hard due to uncertainty over the timing of the merge. That's what the market analysts are saying, as well as the liquidation of major holdings Celsius and Three Arrow Capital, which is actually creating a negative dent in the market. Along with the ongoing liquidation in the space, rising inflation and interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserves are also likely to weigh on capital flows into the space. Traders are currently interested only in shorting major cryptos, as that's the word coming in from the market fraternity. As such, as immediate recovery in the market is likely to be short-lived. That's what the entire space is believing amid short string of bearish events in the crypto space, such as Singapore's financial watchdog is considering new safeguards to protect consumers. The Monetary Authority of Singapore, in a recent development, is contemplating introducing further safeguards on access to cryptocurrencies to the general public and implement regulations on the use of leverage in the cryptocurrency transactions. So, if you see that there is a big ratio as far as the institutional investors are concerned, which currently have around 90% of the total market volume, and 10% is retail. So, if retail is taken away, there are certain takeaways from this. The other countries are likely to follow, and this can result in a slump in the volumes as well. So, the latest comment made by the MAS chairman came hot on the heels of regulatory move to reprimand the Three Arrow Capital, 3AC, a Singapore-based crypto fund, for allegedly providing false information and exceeding asset under control management threshold. So this is actually on the back of this broader concern in which cryptocurrency market has faced. So 3AC is on the verge of filing, is under a broader stress as well. So 3AC is also facing liquidation amid reports the firm failed to meet margin calls from its lenders. In another development, Citigroup said in a note that crude oil would slip to $65 a barrel by the end of this year, a slump to $45 by the end of 2023 if demand crippling recession hits. So please remember, lower crude price are good for cryptocurrency market as of now, since a higher oil price may give the Federal Reserve an extra reason to worry about inflation, and that might keep pressure on the US central bank to tighten monetary policy from the current ultra low conditions. So Bitcoin, the world's biggest cryptocurrency, was trading down by 1.2% at $19,550. Ethereum to trade at 0.9% lower to trade at $1,110. IC15 index of cryptocurrency was down 1.1% to trade at 26,105 levels. Solana Sol was down by 1.7%, was trading at $34. Ripple's XRP token traded $0.31, down 1.5%. Cardano's ADA is next on the list, was down by 3% at $0.45. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $17, 2.8% lower. Shiba Inu was down by 1.8%. Polkadot was down by 3.3%. Doge, the popular meme coin, is down by 2.5% and it was trading at $0.066. BNB, although these were the two coins which were up, BNB was up by 1% and it was trading at $226. Polygon Matic traded at 5.5% higher and it was trading at $0.5. So let's give a fundamental view from our sector expert Vivek Singh from Crypto University. Vivek, welcome on Crypto TV.
Thanks, Manoj, for inviting me to the show. Well, I have noticed that crypto market is quite bearish at the moment, and most of the top cryptocurrencies has not seen a good spike for a while. On the other hand, if you look at US dollar is going pretty strong. I don't have very high expectation from Ethereum for now. As you're aware, the Ethereum 2.0 merge has been delayed multiple times now. And if you look at staked Ether, it has lost quite value. And staked Ether has lost value because there has been a major sell-off from 3 Arrow Capital. Like they have sold a lot of their funds, staked Ether fund, because they are facing liquidation challenge. So in fact, Monetary Authority of Singapore is now taking some measures to safeguard investor interest. If you look at top cryptocurrencies like Solana, Ripple, Cardano, Avalanche, Shiba Inu, BNB, DogeCoin, and Matic, they have not performed well for a long time now. So my suggestions to investors is that you should stay away from the market for now and probably wait and watch what happens next. At least for next couple of months, I am not expecting any bullish trend in the market for a time being. So let's see what are different coins in the market, the top coins, like how they are performing. So even if you take a look at Bitcoin has just been trading low, to 1.2% low in fact. It had been trading like $19,550. And if you take a look at Ethereum, like people are having a lot of big expectations from Ethereum. It's 0.5% low in fact. 0.5% higher. So 0.9 is very small figure for a top 10 coin. And if you look at IC15 index of cryptocurrencies, again that is 1.1%. Just 1.1% down actually. In fact, it's not even going up. And Solana is 1.7% down. So if you look at any top cryptocurrencies, like they are not performing really well. Even Ripple is like $0.3 down, like 1.5%. And if you take a look at Cardano is quite down by almost 3%. People were having a lot of expectations that Cardano would go up, but Cardano is actually 3% down. And Avalanche is trading at 2.8% down. This is a disappointment because AVAX as a technology, as a project is really good, but I'm quite surprised it is not doing well in the market. Okay, Shiba Inu is like 1.8%. It's just down by 1.8%. And if you take a look at Polkadot, it's down by 3.3%, which is quite a big loss. DogeCoin is the popular meme coin. Actually, if you see, it is down by 2.5%. And BNB, like most of the projects, if you see, they are on BNB chain right now. So BNB chain is again just up by 1%. Like we were expecting it to go up, at least 5 or 10%, but it is just 1% up. And the current price of BNB is just $226, which is very, very low compared to what it was trading earlier. It was trading at around $400 or $397 for a while. So I guess people who have entered at $400 price range, they have already lost 50% of their value. So Polygon Matic is trading, quite 5.4% higher compared to what it was trading earlier. So at least Polygon Matic is doing well in the market compared to all other top cryptocurrencies that we have seen. Even Solana, BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum. We had a lot of expectations from these coins, but a lot of them are not trading a lot of them have not shown any bullish trend. So I think if you take a look at all these cryptocurrencies, I believe Matic is the winner. Matic is doing better compared to all these coins. So thanks Manoj for inviting me to the show and taking my opinion. Thanks. That's all.
Thank you so much, Vivek, for being a part of this show. That's all there is in today's The Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching Crypto TV for more such interesting updates. Thank you.